Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is ninth question of its exercise 3.5. The question says that in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done. So in part A, 24 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. So in 2 and 3 are prime factors, but 4 is composite number. So here in part A, prime factorization has not been done. In part B, 56 is equal to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 7 and 2 both are prime factors. So in part B, prime factorization has been done. C. 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. So 2, 5, 7. These are prime factors. So prime factorization has been done in part C. And part D, 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 9. So here 9 is a composite number. So prime factorization has not been done in part D. Thank you.